Gavana wa kaunti ya Masako Mwandu wa Vinya Ndeti ni wakathia mivia itatu kauntini yake kwa kwithiwa na uthukumi musio mwaka wa kilovia wa 2024-2025 ayenda mivia yi kukwatia vau ainena kavinane ka kunengwa livoti cia uthukumi miviane yikivathukanyo. Gavana ni wawetekana muvia wa nema maviasala manini ula wa indo na ula wa kinandu wa wosania wa koti wa mikumukanilie na ula wa itheka kwitha itongo etie ayumia ukanyo kwi mivia lengi te uthukumanesa aiwetano nginya ithukume undu vailite. Brian Mwendo na Maovo.
I congratulate the departments that have already excelled under the performance contracting.
Ni uneni wa gavana wa kaunti ya Masako Mwandu wa Vinya Ndeti itina wa kutuva mivia kivathukanyo ya serikali yake ile navikiye kuandikithia uthukumi museo mwakani wa kilovia wa 2024-2025.
Your success shows what is possible when leadership and staff work with a shared purpose.
No isesoni vala gavana Vinya wambililia walani wa kutumia nzia nzao za kimitandao ya umunthi uthukumini wa mivia yonthe kauntini aiweta kini kiutethesya vanene kuya wandani uthukumi wa kaunti na kuwiya utheine.
I officially launched the digitization of performance contracting in the county government of Machakos. This is not only a simple technology upgrade, it is a statement of intent that from today forward, our performance system will be transparent, accessible, and data-driven.
Ingi iweta nzia isi utumiwa mitandao ya kiumundi ni kuutethesya vanene kwa langa ulusani na kunenga mwanya mevya kivathukania ukunikili wivo wa EACC kufikia na kuthuima uthukumi wa kaunti vate kuvithanya undu ona umwe.
Why digitization? Because a digital platform allows real-time tracking, minimizes manipulation, and gives citizens and oversight bodies a clear window into how we are doing our things. For example, if EACC wants to know what Machakos is doing, they can get into our system, isn't it? And see it there. If all the other, the CID, everybody can get into the system and see what we are doing.
Iwetano wake munene kwi mivia yonthe uthukumi kukwatililia walanyo nsika yoni cia kwikithia mwenenthe wa kaunti ya Masako ni wathukumwa undu vailite.
I therefore call on every officer, every head of department, and every public servant in Machakos County to embrace this wholeheartedly. Let us move beyond business as usual, but build a culture of service delivery and transparency and trust. Together, we can make Machakos a model of excellence in public service. Our citizens deserve a government that works, a county where every resource counts, and a future shaped by performance and not politics.
Kutuvwa kwa mivia ina kwambililio kwa nzia ya kimitandao uthukumini wa kaunti kuuka yuno miaka itatu ya uthukumi kuma gavana wa Vinya oselela uteleva wa kaunti amwe maenende kauntini ya Masako maiwetekana uthukumi wake wa miaka itatu withitwe mwailu wasianisya na miaka itatu ya serikali mbitu mwana maundune ma kisomo ukuina malelu na kukiliani ikundi cia enende.
Nenda kwasia kiikondu wa miaka itatu ya uthukumi ya excellent governor wa Vinya Ndeti na sie one issue ya kisomo mama ni yana yulwa yana nundu akwithwa ndino wa ECD ndino wa bursaries twalianilia bursary la mutwa wanengana na ila bursary mama unenganie mama anenganie bursary pena equality na patena bevalism ya anybody ngowa ya empowerment miaka tatu ya mama tuone kana wanengie empowerment wanenga ikundi sinu matenzi wanenga andu mamuika mgewa ya machine cia power wash na cia mathiko inenga tenzi na ivila
3 years ila mama wa uyobisine scorecard ya tekie ni nzeo na no thukumite andu mama Masako na Kithito na tuyasia ni heko kwaku mama twasisia revenue collection ni nzeo lakini be lupo limwe silikitwe mama wailite uka background usil.
Brian Mwendo, Motongoi TV, Masako.